Hello dear fans. Which planets are included in the solar system? The name solar system naturally reminds of the center around which the system exists. This is the Sun. And the system itself, in addition to the Sun, represents a certain number of planets. There are 8 of them. Being at a certain distance and moving in their orbits, the planets influence each other, representing a living space organism. If we list them in order of distance from the Sun, then the following sequence is revealed. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury, which is also the smallest in size. Next is Venus. Then comes Earth, dear to man. Further, the red mysterious Mars. These 4 celestial objects are called terrestrial planets, which are composed of metals and silicates. Some have satellites. For example, Earth and Mars. The next 4 planets are outer, so-called gas giants. The largest planet is Jupiter. The most unusual is Saturn. She has rings around her. The penultimate one is Uranus. The farthest from the Sun is Neptune. These planets have a huge number of satellites. The planets also have unusual orbits of movement in outer space. The main interaction of the planets is gravitational, the strength of which depends on the mass of each celestial object. The Sun has the largest mass, which is why it is the center of the solar system. The Sun is not only mass, but also a gigantic source of energy, which it gives to all its planets, creating conditions for the development of living organisms, as, for example, on planet Earth. In addition to the 8 major planets, there are dwarf planets located in the Kuiper belt. Of these, Pluto, Makemake and Haumea can be distinguished. Thanks for watching.